Hi everyone, this is Infi Desires Doodle, your number one place for doodles, calligraphy, DIY and hand lettering videos. So in today's video, we are going to see some very easy and simple summer doodles. Let's get started. So firstly, जो भी materials मैंने use किए हैं, my brush pens, my fine liner pens, उसका description I'm giving in the description box below. And I'm going to start with writing the word summer, and then around the letters and the word, we are going to make some very cool doodles. Now for writing summer, मैंने cool colors use किए हैं, which is yellow and orange. Now I have drawn a very small and very simple doodles. I'm drawing a ball. मैंने coconut tree draw किया है. Then I'm going to do a starfish and watermelon. Then some water waves and different things. So all of these very simple, very easy. जो summer में हम होते हैं beach में, how we make sand castles या छोटे forts बचपन में when we used to go and play in the sand around the beach. Well, you can still go. And I used to love going to the beach, and I still love going to the beach. And the most important part, I think, of summer is having cool drinks, fizzy drinks with different colors and एक छोटा सा छतरी on top of my glass, which I think बचपन से I used to absolutely love. So ये बहुत simple, easy. This is our doodle series part 4, which is summer doodles. If you haven't checked out my earlier videos, please go check out. We have done adventure doodles, we have done love doodles, we have done mind relaxing doodles, and for part 4 we are doing summer doodles. Another most important part about summer is having ice creams. So make sure you have lots, except if you are kids, then don't, because definitely ask your parents before having ice cream. Anyways, I hope you love this video, you like it, and you try it out. These are very simple, easy doodles, and I am coming up with many more doodles for this year. I hope you like them. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, go check out all my other videos and let me know in the comments what you think about it. Till then, go enjoy your summer holidays. It's holiday time, and have fun and take care. Most importantly, take care. It's pandemic, but you all take care. Bye. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and do share my video. Stay healthy, stay safe. I will see you soon in the next video.